right, y'all, for the month of August, I'm sharing my favorite tailgate recipes. Today, it's also Taco Tuesday, so I'm showing y'all how to make my taco boats. Let me show ya how to make them. All right, y'all, we're gonna start by browning up 1 pound of ground beef. All right, while the meat's browning up, grab you these old El Paso soft tortilla bowls. It actually is a full kit that already comes with taco seasoning. And look how cutie. I have the oven preheated on 325 degrees, so I'm just gonna line these on a baking sheet and cook them for like 10 minutes to get them warm and a little bit crispy. Like I said, it already comes with a taco seasoning pack, so we're just gonna add that in. All right, these cooked for about 15 minutes. As you can see, they're nice and browned up and a little bit crispy. We're gonna fill up all of our boats. Get some of your ground beef. We're gonna pour that in the bottom of each of these. Perfect for game day, kid-friendly, easy. Those look perfect. Now I'm gonna add some of this Lechona cheddar quesadilla cheese. Any Mexican blend shredded cheese will work for this. I'm just gonna top each of these with about half of a handful of cheese, or just as much as you want, just eyeball it. All right, now just stick them back in the oven for about 10 minutes until all this cheese is nice and melty. Cheese is nice and melty. Now we're gonna add some toppings. I'm gonna do a little bit of shredded lettuce, some pico de gallo. Oof, I just love fresh pico. I'm gonna do a dollop of crema on the top as well. It is Taco Tuesday. We're gonna get a little festive with this sombrero serving plate. I'm just gonna add each of these into here. Last but not least, we need some cheese dip for Taco Tuesday. I'm gonna add that right to the middle, and I did heat this up. These are ready. Let's dig in. Woo, buddy. Gosh, you guys, look how scrumptious. Super messy, but so worth it. Trust me, you're gonna wanna save this recipe.